Hello guys, welcome to ITPK. Today we will learn a simple steps on how to deploy iOS, iPad or Apple application to corporate Apple devices with Microsoft Intune. In the previous video that I have created a day ago, we have learned that how we can connect and setting up Intune initial setup to deploy Android application. And after that, we have learned how to deploy Android application with Microsoft Intune. If you want to learn about Android application deployment, you can go to my this video and you can see the step-by-step process of deploying Android applications. So let's go ahead and learn today how we can deploy iOS application from Intune for the corporate devices. For login into Intune, you need to enter the URL intune.microsoft.com. Once you are in Intune dashboard, you can go directly to apps. In the apps section, as we are targeting today iOS and iPad mobiles for application deployment, so you can come to this section iOS, iPad apps, and you can go to add application. In the app type, we want to deploy iOS store app today. So let's select iOS store app. You can say this the app store the iOS devices have. Now we have to select the application from the store. You can change your region from here. By default, United States will be selected, and let's enter the application name, that is Microsoft application Outlook, right? We need for our company employees, and we don't want our company employees to use any other email app except Outlook. So let's select Outlook here. Hit select. Once we have selected Outlook, we got few option here: description, name, publisher, app store URL, minimum operating system requirement. We can change here minimum operating system requirement, but it's already at the least iOS 8.0, so that's fine. Applicable device type: iPad, iPhone, or iPod. That's perfect. And category of this application could be, we can check collaboration. You can select according to your thinking and according to your requirement. If you want to show this app as a feature app in the company portal, you can select yes. So better to select yes. I am leaving all these options: information, URL, privacy, developer, owner, and notes. In the logo, it's already selected the Outlook application logo here. Let it next. Now we have to select the assignment here, right? I forgot to create the group here. Let me first create the group for iOS app deployment. So I'm creating right now so that this will be better for you to understand. Okay, I'm opening groups, all groups. Let's go to new group, and here we have to name this group iOS application. That's fine. Uh, I want to add the same description. We can add few members here, right? So let's go to members. Let's go to users. Let's say I am adding a single member here. Hit create. Always, I explain you that if you want to deploy any new application or configuration profile, or if you are going to set up any restriction, first make sure try it and verify that on your test environment, right? So I've created the group. Let's go back. Let's go ahead and search for the group we have created here. We want to assign our this application deployment to the group we have named iOS applications. So hit select. So I've added the group in the required mode of assignment, right? So the users of this group will automatically get Outlook on their phone. They would have no control on uninstalling or removing that Outlook application. If we add a group in the available for enrolled devices, this Outlook application will be available into the company portal app. If you are available with or without enrollment, application will be available with or without enrollment devices. And the last option is uninstall. If you want to uninstall that Outlook app from a specific group of iOS devices, you can add that group or users here. So we have assigned a group here, right? And we have deployed the Outlook application in app information. Now we are ready to click next. Here you can see all of your setting you have set up previously while adding app and group and assignments. So please review everything carefully and select create. Please note that your Google Play Store and iOS App Store needs to be connected on Intune so that you can deploy iOS and Android applications. So now we have seen the step-by-step process of deploying Outlook for our Apple mobile phones, iPad or iPod. You can see the overview here. Once this setting will be propagated across the devices, right? You will see all the results here. And in the properties section, if you want to change anything, right? If you want to change grouping, you can change from here, right? And if you want to change any setting regarding app information, you can also change here, right? In edit application for iOS app. So I don't want to change anything. In the monitor section, you can see device install status and user install status. Once the app will be installed or deployed for users' devices. So I hope you have enjoyed the step-by-step process of deploying Microsoft Outlook for iOS, mobile phones, iPad, and iPod. Thanks for watching. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. Take care. Bye.